Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chrissy and you're watching Eternally Grateful Seeds, and in this video we're going to get right into it and I'm going to show you how I made this hot cocoa reindeer gift bag. And I'm going to show you what you need, the supplies you need to create this and make this, and we're going to get right into it right now. So it's very simple, very easy. You're going to get these baker's bags, which you can find. Oh, a lot of these products, actually, if not all of them, were purchased at the Dollar Tree, but you can purchase these things at craft stores, at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, anywhere, okay? So I did trim the top off of the bag a little bit, which I didn't do it on this one. I just want to show you that I used a little bit of baker's twine on this one, and I didn't make it into the reindeer, because you can give it like this too as a gift. It's okay, you know, I mean, there's no like rules or anything to this stuff, but if you want to do it as the reindeer like this, what I will suggest you need is either double-sided tape or hot glue. I ended up using both because I was struggling a little bit. And of course you're going to need scissors. And if you want to use some baker's twine, I got 3 of these for $1. I got a yellow one at the Dollar Tree, 3 for $1. And you know, of course you can get this stuff at the Dollar Tree, scissors, tape, whatever you need, even the chocolate chips and the marshmallows, although I did not purchase these chocolate chips at the Dollar Tree or the marshmallows. It's just at my local supermarket down the road from where I live. And whoops, I lost that. Okay, you're going to also need these brown color pipe cleaners to do the ears on the reindeer. You're going to need googly eyes, and you're going to need the little red pom-pom. And also I use these, you know, little ties here too. Okay, so very simple, self-explanatory. Basically, you put the marshmallows in here. You put the I'm sorry, I did that wrong. You put the hot, now I can't remember. You put the hot cocoa in first, and then the chocolate chips, and then the marshmallows. But yeah, so that's that with that. And you could even use a gift tag also, you know. It's just, again, whatever you want to do. Use a gift tag if you want. If you don't want, that's okay too. I did struggle a little bit with the reindeer ears, trying to make them look. I'm not the best at crafting, honestly. I'm just being honest. But I do try my best, and I was so excited to do this video for you guys and show you guys this for Christmas, or for whatever holiday you celebrate, or, you know, again, this could be given whenever, you know. I mean, it doesn't have anything else on it, you know, but but there's the difference between cutting off the top of this one and not cutting off the top of it. But yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. If you're not subscribed and you like the content that you see here on my channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and when you do, don't forget to press that bell, because when you do press the bell, you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. And I did notice a lot of people are not subscribed to my channel. They are watching my channel, but they're not subscribed. So I just want to let you guys know. And happy holidays. Bye. Whoops.